Hello everyone and welcome back to Rails TV, where today we're narrowing things down a bit.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, bent face flamed by the light. I'm going away, I'm going away, I'm going away.
Now in stock here at Rails of Sheffield is the all-new range of Rapido Trains UK narrow lines 009 narrow gauge wagons. So this amazing new range has got over 50 releases in the first batch, and there's going to be plenty more in the future too. Now, there's over 50 different items in this range, so we couldn't unpack them all for you here, especially on my tiny little side table that we've got here. But this gives you an indication of all of the different body styles that are available, and a bit of a smattering of the extremely colourful liveries that you can get too. We do love a bit of narrow gauge here at Rails of Sheffield, so much so that we actually teamed up with Rapido recently to head over to a secret railway and drive some engines. So if you didn't get a chance to look at that video already, do click the link wherever that is or in the description and you can watch that too. So narrow gauge railways across the world utilise an enormous amount of similar yet subtly different designs. And as such, to kickstart this entirely new Rapido narrow lines range, they've taken inspiration from the vehicles used across the world to create a plethora of different prototypes. Rapido clearly understands that narrow gauge isn't all about slate quarries and preserved railways in the North Wales, although they are pretty great, aren't they? They are all over the world for all different purposes. Whatever you needed to get transported in a tight space or around some awkward terrain, they were there doing the job. So they've included as many variants as possible in this range to suit your modelling needs. Narrow gauge railways are also used to transport an eclectic mix of other minerals, liquids and powders. Some of these were rather hazardous. So, Rapido have included a cylindrical tank wagon in the range, gunpowder vans, and peak roof vans, which means if you want to model oil refineries, dairies, gunpowder factories, distilleries, breweries, chemical production plants, tin mines, and much, much more, you can now do it. It wasn't just perishables and petrochemicals that were entrusted to narrow gauge lines. All manner of agricultural produce and timber were loaded onto these titchy trains and were regularly transported in stake wagons. Everywhere from the lumber mines of Western Australia to the plantations of Indonesia and the Caribbean would have seen these types of wagons, and the new stake wagon included will look the part no matter how exotic the location of your railway might be. Whichever industry your railway represents, it will have had plenty of workers to keep the wheels turning. Workmen and miners rarely travelled in luxury, and versions of the humble manrider were utilised in lots of industries, so it was only natural that Rapido included this in the range too. The manrider is also ideal if you want to model a light or tourist railway scene. With the introduction of the narrow gauge railways to many rural towns and villages, farmers had a considerably easier access to larger settlements and ports. Many railways introduced livestock wagons, and their designs vary greatly. The range here includes a high-sided livestock open wagon, a fitting ride for your chosen creatures. For your more conventional goods traffic, Rapido have also included covered vans and drop-side open wagons, and the range is rounded off nicely with a single veranda brake van, a common sight on many narrow gauge lines. All of the models in the new 009 gauge all-purpose wagon range share a common underframe and are fitted with traditional NEM compliant 009 hook and loop couplings, which are compatible with other manufacturers' designs. Once all of these variations are coupled together, they make for a thoroughly distinctive mixed train, or you could create specific race to whatever you desire. At Rails, we just had to get involved with this new range too, and we're proud to present these new War Department wagon packs. We've got 2 exclusive triple packs available, including drop-side open, tanker, box van, brake van, and even a pair of bomb carriers with some famous pieces of RAF graffiti stenciled on the side. You might be asking, well, we've got all these fantastic new wagons, but what locomotives are there to pull them? Well, we've got you covered there at Rails of Sheffield, because there are plenty of different locomotives that have already been released by the likes of Bachmann, Pico and Carto, to name but a few. As you can see here, I've got my own personal Baldwin 1012D from Bachmann, hauling our lovely new War Department wagons around, which just looks absolutely perfect. But there's plenty of other options that you can choose from, which you might have seen here in this video, such as the Cato and Pico small or large England locomotive. You've got the mainline Hunslet, you've got the Quarry Hunslet, you've got diesels. There's all sorts of different locos to choose from. But what's more, at the time of recording this video, Rapido are about to launch some brand new locomotives which are perfect to suit with this range as well. That includes the Kerr Stewart & Co. Cedar locomotives, which they're doing both short and long tank variations of. And what's more, they have also announced a Peckett & Sons Cranmore class locomotive, which will be coming in the future too. Do head over to our website to check out those, as well as everything in this new wagon range. I do hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at these lovely new wagons with me today, but do let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Which one was your favourite that you've seen here today, and which ones are going to be coming to your layout? Also, don't forget to click the like button if you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe to make sure you never miss another video, and ring the notification bell to make sure you never miss another upload. We will be sure to be taking a look at Rapido's new 009 locomotives once they're released, so do stay tuned for a video on them too. But that's about all for now, so I just want to say thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.